we organize international conferences related to success stories and challenges in smart and sustainable cities and projects. The objectives of these conferences are to inform and update attendees on current trends related to the urban digital revolution and how to create value. One example of conference was Innovation and Entrepreneurship in Smart and Sustainable Cities, which took place in 5 cities in India in 2018. I am Professor Philippe Bouvier, founder of the Institute of Urban Value Creation. See you soon.